For me, I grew up loving the classic blues harp players, Chicago players, Sonny Terry, that sort of era of harp playing, pre-overblow, pre-overdraw. That was my favorite stuff growing up. And this instrument allows me to play all of the things that I grew up loving about that style, and adds an unprecedented level of control, both in terms of the pitch and the consistency for overblows and overdraws throughout the entire register of the instrument, without compromising the kind of setup and type of playing I grew up loving.